What up, Vape fam? My vaping family. Welcome to the first installment of my new series called Longevity. How long will your vape gear last? It's mostly going to be mods, but there will be other things. Today we're talking about the Amnis, which I reviewed not too long ago. I gave it an okay rating, but let's see what really happens with it. Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Right there, if I knew how to edit, there would be a little intro there in between. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. Because we all know that I lose my mind as soon as that camera comes on. The iStick Amnis, my friends, which normally is going to look like this. Yeah. Now, I gave this thing away. No one wanted it on the channel, right? Or my forums where I love my peeps, ELR, e-liquid recipes. So I gave it to somebody I know that wanted to quit smoking. And this is what happened to the thing. Now, you know what? Hold on a second. Let's go down and take a look at it. Okay, I got my hand over the shiny light. Now, this actually goes in here, okay? It'll go there. There's actually a piece missing, which is going to go right in there. It's shaped like a horseshoe. All right. Let's see if we can bring it up. Now, let's get a pointer here, my friends. Right here is where the little tab that you push in to release it sits, and it's shaped like a horseshoe with two springs that sit on either side of these tabs right here. And apparently, as soon as she got it, this thing started falling apart. Now, granted, I had it for about a week, vaped on it, and then I was done with it. And I gave it away. Probably about 3 weeks later. So it was sitting around. I didn't use it for those 3 weeks. Now, it's highly annoying, I've got to admit. No, it's not the best material, but the thing only cost, I found it for 20 bucks online just a few minutes ago. It's going for around $27 to $30, which in my opinion is way too much for something that's going to break. And I also found a couple reviews that talked about this. This is ridiculous, my friends. Absolutely ridiculous. Now, you can put it back together. She told me she had put it back together several times, but the last time it broke, she lost that middle piece, and then it was done after that. You can put it on like that and vape that. All right, so how long should a video last where you see that it's a piece of junk? I don't know what to say. I stopped vaping with an iStick 30, and it was right before temp control came out. And it was shortly after that the iStick 40 came out with temp control. But that iStick 30 I had lasted me, that's what I stopped smoking with. So I have an affinity towards Eleaf and the iStick products. So I'm disappointed in this. I gotta admit, I'm pretty disappointed in it. Now, I do have another Eleaf item coming, the iStick Pico 2 Squonker, and let's hope that one lives up to the Eleaf name. I'm not saying stop buying Eleaf because I love them. I really do. Like I said, I have an affinity towards their products. That's how I stopped smoking. It's just this tank I can't recommend. Of course, y'all make up your own minds on it, but I mean, if this happened to me and it's happening to other reviewers, like how many more people has this thing broke on? Probably a lot. Anywho, yeah, that's all I got. The longevity on that, not very long. Couple months. This is Dan the Man, signing off. Peace, my friends. Peace. It was supposed to be dramatic.